DEK'd made sense for a number of reasons, primarily for comfort. I have a Seavee center console and I use it mostly for fishing, but also for cruising and riding. I've had the boat for about 3 years. I've had DEK'd for 2.5 of those years. I have it on all of the flooring on my boat. It's cool on your feet, it's comfortable, easy to clean. DEK'd has allowed me to totally customize my boat. I worked with their team in terms of the design. They match the color of the hull. It looks great. Customization in terms of boat name, boat brand, color scheme, design. There's so many different options you can look for. I couldn't recommend DEK'd more.